welcome back guys to another video. Today I'm gonna show you how to get the train activated. It's very easy peasy and it only took 1 minute. So you know like previous videos where we get the yellow key with the magnet with the blue key. So we're gonna just keep that so I cannot lost it. This is a very good game, you know. I just downloaded it from Play. Holy! So you still can see the man. Oh, that man see me. Oh, it actually that man again. By play mods. So when the guy goes over here, come on, go away. So sprint as fast as you could. Don't let the guy capture you, guys. It's not a bad. It's a bad idea. So there's actually a bear trap he's keeping. He's keeping, bro. Bro, I hate him, bro. That's why I always hack his. Always stuck him in the block. So open this lever. If you cannot top it, just scratch. So safety, you're just gonna get dead. But it still don't work. So yeah. Stand up and go towards him very closely like that. And voila. For the bear trap here. Open it up. So no one can touch it. So go to the top of the emergency ladder. And don't forget to flick this rubber. You see there's all boarded. Yeah. And you know the previous video we got a board. Yes! Right? So now, this is some mentals that make a good trick. Go over here to this room. Yeah. And activate this room. And press the button. Now you should see the train activate. Oh god, damn it! Dang it! He got me. Dang it, I hate this game. So when he's going exercise, just go him. So we was going to get back to the emergency ladder. It's like only 1 minute. Oh god. Oh god, yeah, climb it. Why I cannot climb it? Oh, finally, bro. So go to the top of the emergency ladder here. You see, it's all not boarded. That's why the green key is still stuck in there. No reason. So you see, there's actually the train has not yet completed his way down. Oh sh! Then I die. How am I dying? I even cannot hit anything. So, see, maybe not. We're bringing the support for. So there never should be like raided around here. And towards his window. Oh, that man is here! Dang it! When you activate the train, you must be in the train, right? Oh, dang it, that guy also got me. You see, the train has cleared a lot of stuff. Ah, the train is there. Now, our only goal is to get there. Oh! Frick! Those security cameras take so weak. Okay, now we have to freaking turn off the thing because that is neighbor. It's very smart now. So now we have to overcome that guy. Maybe we should get that guy on the map, like a zombie specialist. Fix the river. Oh making this grass. Oh God! Go to the letter. Go to the Mercedes. Don't let me see you. Bro, that was so close, bro. You just have to wait for the train to come, so I like the train. The train should be here in no minute, right? Oh God, I hate this thing. So, that's how you activate the train. Easy facts. Like and subscribe for the next video. That's how you get the train on in just one mental. So see you tomorrow, guys.